Greetings everybody. So in this short video we're going to explain how to use comments in MATLAB. Now here I have the classic MATLAB environment. I can use the command window to enter individual commands, but to write a much bigger code that writes or does something much more complex, I need to create a new script. So I have my script right here and I have them side by side so we can see the results. So here is my script. I have some very simple commands included. Okay, now the first way to include comments in MATLAB is to write the percentage sign, and whatever comes after the percentage is a comment. Okay, so here we have some basic operations. Okay, you don't need to have a space. Even if you do it without a space, still MATLAB interprets this as a comment, so it doesn't actually consider it a part of the command. Okay, you can use comments in an individual line or right after some command like that. For example, define the pi number. Okay, so this is a comment and this is a comment. Okay, so writing down comments is very, very easy. Now, there is one specific category of comments which does actually something different. This is the double percentage sign. Now, if you see right here in my code, I have various parts where I have double percentages. Okay, here, 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 and here. And by default, the double percentages, whatever comes after that, is in boldface. So if you compare this, you see that this is not in bold, but the above is in bold. So what does the double percentage do? The double percentage sign tells MATLAB that whatever comes after this, up until the end of the file, or maybe until the next time a double percentage appears, is an individual section of the code. Okay, so as you see right here, I have basically actually MATLAB helps us visually because you see if I put my mouse in any part of this region, I have this blue line right here that tells us that this part is an individual section of the code. So this is a section, then I have another double percentage sign. So this is another section, and another section. Okay, so MATLAB separates this file into sections. And this is very helpful because now I can run individual sections of the file. So for example, if I hit run right here, no matter where my mouse is, by the way, if I hit run, it executes the whole part, the whole code. Okay, so I have some plot commands or some operations. Everything is executed. But alternatively, if I go to section, I can simply say run section. And this part will only run the specific part of the section that I have my mouse or my cursor at the moment. So if I hit now run section, it only runs this part of the code. Let me also make this bigger. So this is the button right here. If I move this my mouse right here and then I hit run section, it doesn't run the whole script. It only runs this part of the code. So this is especially useful because you can build your code individually part by part by part and actually each time only run a specific region that you are interested in inside your code. Okay. And by the way, you can run this individual section by hitting Control and Enter in your keyboard. Okay, so by Control and Enter, I only run this specific section of the code. So when you're running very big programs, you can use this double percentage sign and write individual comments side by side by side, individual parts of the code, I'm sorry, sequentially and test each part separately. Now, let's say I want to comment out a very big part of the code. Let's say here I have some plot commands, and I don't want all of this detail right here. I want to remove it. There's no reason to cut and paste it into a different file. And also there is no reason to go and individually comment out each section, each individual line. Okay, this is extremely boring and I really want to avoid that. Okay, so how can I comment all of these parts out very fast? Well, very easily, you can mark everything and hit Control R to add comments. Okay, so now you have commented everything out. And then you can remove the percentage sign by Control T. Okay, so Control R, T, R, T, R adds comments, T removes comments. If you do it multiple times, you get multiple signals, percentage signs, but this is not useful. Okay, so this is a very easy way to comment out big parts of the code. Another way is to use this symbol right here. You have percentage with bracket, and then right here, percentage with a closed bracket, a right bracket. Okay. This individual symbol right here and this individual symbol right here tells us that everything that comes in between is a code in our MATLAB script. You just have to not include anything else inside these lines. So these lines here, 36 and 45, need to have no other symbols. Okay, so this is another way to write code yourself. Okay, but to write comments, I'm sorry. But the best way for me is to simply use Control R, right? Unless, of course, you have a very, very big code and you have some more comments inside and you don't want to have everything confused, then you're gonna go with the brackets. Okay, so this is it and happy writing.